My topic is limited liability partnership. Limited liability partnership LLP an alternative corporate business firm that gives the benefits of limited liability of a company and the flexibility of partnership. The LLP can continue its existence irrespective of changes in partners. In LLP, one partner is not liable for another partner's misconduct or negligence. This is an important difference from that unlimited partnership. In an LLP, all partners have a form of limited liability for each individual's protection with the partnership similar to that of the shareholders of a corporation. Mutual rights and duties of the partners within LLP are governed between the partners and the LLP separate case may be the LLP, however, it is not relieved the liability for its other obligations, both separate entity. Nature characteristics of LLP legal entity separates from its partners liability pool of extent of assets, rights, and duties of partners of an LLP governed by an agreement between partners. In the absence of any such agreement, shall be governed by the provisions proposed in LLP Act. A limited liability partnership shall have a perpetual succession. Any change in the partners of limited liability partnership shall not affect the existence, rights, or liabilities of the limited liability partnership. No partner would be liable on account of independent or unauthorized actions of their partners or other misconduct. At least two partners and at least two individuals in a designated partnership, whom at least shall be President of India. There is an obligation to maintain annual accounts. Of statement of accounts and solvency shall be filed every LLP with the register every year. The compromise or arrangement, including merger and amalgamation of the LLP, shall be accordance with the provisions of the LLP Act 2008. A firm, private company, or unlisted public companies are allowed to be converted into LLP in accordance with the provisions of the Act and from the date of registration specified in the certificate of registration. All tangible and intangible property vested in the funds of the company, all assets. The winding up of the LLP may be either voluntary or with the tribunal to be established under the Companies Act 1956. Till the tribunal is established, the power in this regard has given the High Court. Indian Partnership Act 1930 shall not be applicable LLPs. Incorporation LLP. An LLP is formed pursuant to limited liability partnership agreement, which means written agreement between the partners of the limited liability partnership or between the limited liability partners and its partners, which determines the mutual rights and duties of partners and the rights and the duties in relation to that limited liability partnership. For an LLP incorporate, at least two persons must subscribe their name on document called incorporation document, which must be submitted to the register of companies. There is also a requirement of filling statement in the prescribed form made by their advocate or a company secretary, a chartered accountant, or a cost accountant in full-time practice. India or by anyone subscribed its name to the incorporation document, that requirement under the Act and the rules and they complied with the respective incorporation along with the incorporation document. Advantages of LLP partner in LLP not liable for wrongful acts or other partner. LLP will perpetual success and admission association. Partner shall not affect the status. A firm, private company, public company can be converted in LLP. Partner may transact with LLP. Professionals like CACS, etc. LLP. No limitation, no maximum number of partners in LLP. Even a body corporate can be a partner. Audit not mandatory for certain LLPs. The rights of partners can be transferred either wholly or in the court. Lesser compliances. Provision for merger amalgamation. Unlimited liability of partners in LLP in case of fraud. Mandatory filing in ROS. LLP cannot maintain financial security. Taxation issue it not notified. FDA issue it not notified. Accounting standards it not notified. Thank you.